These are toe cozies, and this is my prosthesis. The most common question I get when I explain anything about my prosthesis is your foot cold when it rains or when it's cold outside? And the answer is yes. So when I first started wearing a prosthesis, my grandma came up with the brilliant idea of sewing toe cozies. They're just little foot coverings made out of any fabric that I picked out myself, and then she would sew it so that it would fit over the top of my prosthesis and my foot wouldn't get cold or wet. Unfortunately, she has since passed away, so she can't make these anymore for me. I love to crochet, and the other day my boyfriend suggested that I try to make one myself. So today, that's what we're doing. I'm a little nervous because I have to make my own pattern for this, and I genuinely have no idea how this is gonna go. So let's figure it out together.
Welcome to the layers of mistakes that I made while doing this project. So originally my thought process was to start from the bottom up. So I was gonna start by crocheting several straight rows and then building the semicircle portion on top of those straight rows. Then for the back, my idea was to crochet another semicircle and then sew the front and the back together. This was a horrible idea, but here's me starting it. Then the next morning, I just continued single crocheting in straight rows. I measured to see if it was long enough yet, and it was not. So I kept crocheting, and then finally it was long enough. So then I tried to start making the semicircle part, and that's when disaster struck. I was so excited at this point, and then, please, why does it look like that? Come back tomorrow to see how I fix this.